Hey guys, I'm feeling a little goofy today. All right, you know what's about to happen. You saw the thumbnail. You're just as confused as I am. Let's talk about the 1992 60th birthday parade celebration honoring the goofiest man himself, The World According to Goofy. A parade that predates the Flintstones live action movie, the Aladdin movie, Via Napoli at Epcot, and the current political climate. Get ready. It's the world according to Goofy. It's the Goofy way.
It's the world according to Goofy. Looks like it's from Goofy to stay. So it's no mystery.
The World According to Goofy starts off with, of course, Ludwig von Drake, everyone's favorite wacky duck. The Elon Musk of Duckburg, essentially. I've been on the record saying this. But Ludwig says to the world, hey, I'm about to tell you Goofy 101. He rolls out with the cast of Saved by the Bell. They're all holding the only book they'll ever read because it's just got one letter in it, right?
Is it really the cast?
No, it's not. It's a good joke though, right? This is the 90th thing that you're ever going to witness in your entire life. You need 7 books to spell one word. These are crazy books. What are we doing? Is this what we're teaching kids in the 90s? Is that what went wrong with all of us? The parade you're about to see is made up of 4 distinct units. Each one rolls in with their open booked kind of chapter on the history of the world according to Goofy. The first unit of this parade starts off with the pre-hysterical age.
Step right up.
The Goofosaurus had the great distinction of being responsible for the dinosaur extinction. This parade features some music that is truly epic, with lyrics that are just gonna blow your mind. The first segment of this parade is essentially Goofy mass extinctioning the dinosaurs through his new innovative tar pit spa, where all the dinosaurs come and visit like some Gwyneth Paltrow goop nonsense, and they just get stuck in the tar and the dinosaurs become extinct.
Feels good. With the Goofosaurus.
And this is a spa themed segment that has a little bit of like Vegas like drink cocktail waitress vibes with these showgirl dinosaurs. It's absolutely ridiculous, and I love the theming of this entire unit. I'm about to completely break your brain right now, because this parade debuted in 1992 and was playing nonstop for a solid year in Los Angeles, Anaheim. Do you know what else was happening in 1992? Pre-production for the live-action Flintstones movie. You watch this segment of this parade, you think to yourself, oh, when's John Goodman gonna show up? This is the most Flintstonian Flintstone thing ever. The first unit of the parade features 2 distinct Goofies, the giant dinosaur Goofy, as well as the King Caveman Goofy, Goofosaurus himself. There's lots of Goofies in this parade. This breaks all the rules. Whatever rule there was about not having more than one Mickey meet and greet at the park at the same time, it just went right out the window with this, all right? There are like 30 Goofies in this parade. It's ridiculous. Moving a little bit forward in ancient history, welcome to Egyptian days. When he got trapped in the sand in the pyramid days, the Fairway Pharaoh began a sporting craze. That's right, ancient Egyptians invented putt-putt golf. You didn't know that? Well, apparently that's the case, according to Goofy. This is the segment that birthed this. Already, what is this? What happened? Why did this happen to us? The crazy thing is, the concept of the snake being on this golf ball Goofy, this little anthropomorphic, happy little puppy dog golf ball that's just following along with his mommy behind him, Cleopatra, cow of the Nile. Snakes killed that woman. A snake's about to kill this poor dog. It's such a strong conflict in my brain. You don't want a dog to get bit by a snake, but at the same time, you're questioning, why does this even have to exist in the world? And so it really puts you in a pickle, you know? Like, existential crisis golf ball Goofy. This poor dog's about to die. Is anyone gonna do anything? Why aren't we saving golf ball Goofy? Save him and then get him as far away from me as possible. That's all I'm asking. There is an obnoxiously large amount of Goofy mummies in this segment. Just too many of them. And then we also get a Goofy Pharaoh and a Goofy Sphinx. Goofies galore. Listen really closely to this and then remember that this parade dropped months before Friend Like Me was ever heard in the movie theaters in Aladdin's cartoon. This has such Friend Like Me, Arabian Nights vibes.
Grab your mommy, let's do the lift. We'll dawdle all around the street with King Tut, the fairway pharaoh.
What do those candles smell like? They smell like memories. Like your favorite theme park snack or an iconic dark ride scene. Relive that favorite vacation. Bring it home with just a click. MagicCandleCompany.com. Get ready to smell the magic. Parade Unit 3 in the world according to Goofy, the RENAIS-SAUCE. He had a booming business on the Roman scene, but too much pizza made the tower lean. The puns, the dad jokes. This was 1992, folks. I love that this segment of the parade starts off with a couple little vignettes of like Goofy relatives, like Marco Pollo, because everyone loves a romantic language poultry joke, and I am absolutely here for that. Living statues coming to life gives me nightmares. Why? The children. Surprisingly, not that many Goofies in this particular unit. We got a really strong leaning tower of pizza, but only one Goofy. But you know what? Chef's kiss, look at that mustache. I love a Goofy with facial hair. And remember, this entire thing predates that incredible pizza place we've got over at Epcot now. I mean, laying the groundwork. This parade was prophetic. The red sauce, the crispy crust, and lots of mozzarella. Pizza so good, now we want to sing the Tarantella. The Tarantella is like this, like Italian, everyone's like in old country folk dress, and they're all just kind of like communal. They went deep, all right? The last segment, of course, Nightmare Fuel. Goofy runs for president. Man, the last thing we need is Goofy as president, let me tell you. Goofy as president of Disneyland, because that's what he's running for. In this segment that starts with, weren't we okay with just Thomas the Tank Engine? Wasn't that enough? Wasn't that enough faces on giant things? Why did we need to make more giant faces and put them on giant things? All right, and this predates Cars, just throwing that out there. This is before Cars was even a twinkle and any Pixar animators' NASCAR-fueled dreams, all right? Imagine driving home in the middle of the night and then like seeing a car advance up upon you. Adjust the rearview mirror and right as you click it, it's like a giant Goofy bus. The backup dancers in this whole unit, the parade dancers in this unit, I'm just living for it. It actually looks like the gym right now. Go to the gym right now and everyone's wearing nylon windbreakers like this. They're all back, you know, it's back in style. Look at the shirt I'm wearing, for crying out loud. I just bought this. This wasn't old. I went to the store and just purchased this. The 90s are back, baby. This last float, this giant shoelace parade float, Goofy on a treadmill, giant balloon shoe thing. Well, whatever it is, it really ties up the end of the parade. Get it? It was a shoe tying joke. People who say that my laughter is fake, that started as a fake laugh and turned into a real joyous laugh from my heart and from my soul. So there you go. That's the world according to Goofy. I want to know, have you watched this parade before? What do you think is the strangest Goofy that you've seen in this parade? There's a lot of strange ones. Were any of you actually there in 1992 at Disneyland? Let me hear your stories. Let me see your pictures. Reach out to me. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Patreon. I want to hear your stories. I want to see your pictures. I want to watch your home videos of this parade because they're fantastic. This is a really fun idea. I had a lot of fun with this. In fact, if there are other parades that you want me to kind of deep dive into, parades, stage shows, literally whatever kind of entertainment Disney Parks has kind of put out there that you're kind of just like, boy, someone's got to make fun of this. Hey, that's literally my job. So let me know in the comments what some of the other favorite park entertainment out there that you guys love that you'd like for me to see, because maybe I haven't even seen it yet, which I can't wait. I absolutely can't wait. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. As always, you rock.